clip. Just not dropping the boys off at school. Figure out get a good clip while I'm driving. Nobody walks this road, so I try to hit one right here. Actually, that's what I'll do. I'll shift down so you can hear it. This thing sounds really good. Headers and everything. Sorry for the shakiness.